Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a spend the weekend with me vlog. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and click the subscribe button if you are interested in fashion and lifestyle content. This was my outfit of the day. I had on this maroon satin shirt, straight jeans, maroon flats, and this cute beige bag. For the earrings, I was torn between the maroon earrings and the yellow earrings, but I decided to go with the yellow one because the maroon one was not popping, like the top was overshadowing them. This month has been quite cold and it has been difficult to just have a hangout session because guys, ni kama El Nino ishafika, but thank God we haven't been experiencing floods where I stay. For today, the girls and I just wanted to spend the day chilling. We went at Galitos and got ourselves a nice meal.
My neck, my back, so my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so my back.
We ordered the rice fiesta with the Coke combo, which comes with two rice bowls, a full chicken, 2 liters of soda, which can be of your preference, and a garden salad. Garden salad, pardon my French, garden salad, and we also ordered fries on the side.
My back, my back, my neck, my back, my back, kings down. My neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back, kings down. My neck, my back, my back. Black girl, you 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 black girl. Do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, you 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 black girl. Do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, you black girl, you black girl, you black girl, you coming out of her shirt and then my skirt came down.
I was really craving the Galito chicken. Most of all, I had really missed the Galito sauces. My favorite ones are the barbecue and the garlic sauces. Let me know which is your favorite or most preferred sauce in the comment section down below. And of course, after our meal, we had ice cream for dessert because Cream Inn was just next to where we were seated. Despite it being cold, although it wasn't that cold from where we were seated.
Sasa, poa. I want ice corn.
Vitu zinaweza mpea option zenye zinaenda kwa corn. Kuna sprinkles, kuna Oreos, kuna peppermint ama nuts.
Okay. Peppermint
ni peppermint chocolate.
Oh, the chocolate. Oh, okay. Awesome.
Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no drilling style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. You know my ex cause he validate me. You never check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely.
Uy, pole. Yes, mom. He's okay. He's okay.
And the award for the world's greatest auntie goes to none other but me. We walked to Nakumatt. Guy, I don't know why I keep calling Naivas Nakumatt. So we walked to Naivas. Kuna vitu tulikuwa tunahitaji and we did the shopping and then we left.
My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me.
As we were walking out, kuna hii playground tulikuwa tumenotice, and we decided to take a walk towards that direction to see if it was still open. Because it had rained, most likely ingekuwa ishafungwa, so tulikuwa tunataka kuona kama imefunguliwa, and if we could get a chance to get in, survey the place, and maybe even get a chance to kucheza a few games.
It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see I'm blind.
I think Lucky is our middle name. We got the place was open. Ubaya ni hatungeweza kucheza, like you see the bouncing castle already ilikuwa isha deflatiwa. We couldn't play because the place was wet. They had some really cool games. They had swings, slides. Kuna ile game ya kupanda. I don't know how it's called. I get the real name. Kulikuwa na tunnels, and they had also the bouncing castle, and also there were other activities that were paralyzed because of the downpour.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, so could be your words, never say that. I don't want to pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the door. I like waiting for you gone at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I like when you hide, never tell me I'm lost. This iPad can't escape me, my pussy precedes me. On my all the time change, you still talking about babies, and I'm still taking a plan B. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it, it's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it, I'm blind.
Najitungia vitu zangu. Ati my stupid heart. No, no. Akipole. Baba? So this was the following day. I was in all maroon, from the palazzo pants to the turtleneck top. I was headed to class to teach my students.
2 boys, 2 girls. Ni sawa. Alafu the first boy ni huyu. Ngoja. Ebu. Ngoja sijasema. Haya, tuko kwa rules bado. Enda uketi kwanza. Leta choki yangu. Naota girl. Yes, kuja hapa. Haya, nataka mtu mwenye haja participate. Girl.
Mimi
Acha huyo akuje. Yes. Haya, one boy. Nataka boy. Hapa kuna noise makers hapa. I want one person. Yes, mwenye anajificha. Hata heri hata ungesonga. Haya, tunaanza apple. Banana. Haya, orange. Banana. Apple. Orange. Haya, tunamuuliza swali. Acha kuimba. Haya, Hebu sikizeni tukiuliza swali. Job had how many sons? 7, but still Katie. Another boy. Haya pale kuna sawa. Hebu pigeni makofi. Haya. Sasa tunaanzia hapa. Job alikuwa na how many daughters? 3. Haya, simama ulizo yako. Umeelewa? Ni 3, sawa? Nani alisaidia Yesu kubeba msalaba? Ati Yesu alibeba msalaba peke yake? Soja. Ati hebu mwambieni ansa. Simon Osel. Mwisho sasa. Nani alibaptize Yesu? John the Baptist. But I want 1 girl and 2 boys. Tunafanya, yeye anauliza tunafanya nini? Hebu mwambieni. Ama afanye peke yake tuone. Haya, mko ready? Haya, nimesema rules ni hivi. Wacha turudie ili uyaelewe, sawa? Nikisema apple unaruka mbele. Hebu ruka mbele tuone kama unajua kuruka mbele. Haya, nikisema banana unaruka nyuma. Unajua. Nikisema orange side. Na tumeagree ni hii side, sawa? Ukifeli unaulizwa swali, sawa? Uko ready? Haya. Hawatafail. Start. Haya. Ati nani anapiga kelele? Haya. Hawa kiketi nyinyi. 1, yes, 2. Hata wewe 3, 4, 5. Utakuja hapo. Mbona umeketi hivyo? Haoni? Hebu keti tuone kaoni. Umekalia kwanza viti mbili, haoni? Haya. Hawa ndio watakuja next. Haya. Ati unataka kunini? Sawa, tuendelee tu wakiwa 5. Haya, unaelewa rules? Haya. Orange. Apple. Haya kuja. Watu wenye wa concentrate kwa class ndio wanashikwa. Haya. Who's the father of Jesus? Joseph. Who's the mother?
Mary.
Haya, nani walikuwa wa kwanza kutembelea Yesu vile alizaliwa? Haya. Nani alikuwa anataka kuwa Yesu? Wakwambie? Haya, mwambieni King Herod. Haya.
After a session of shouting, screaming and yelling, I went to a house opening. But sometimes when I get out of class, I always feel like I need a cup of hot water with lemon because of all the yelling that I do. I have to project my voice because sometimes the kids are noisy and hyper and I have to compete with their energy.
We go round in circles, searching for.
Allow me to introduce you to BK Interiors. She is the one, or they are the ones who were in charge of the interior design of this house. They or she does an amazing job. You can check her out on Instagram. She's on Instagram. She's on TikTok. She posts most of her work there. So you can check her out. And in case you need any work done, you can consult with her and get the best out of everything. I really liked the finishing of this house. It was so beautiful, so stunning, well thought out. I liked everything from the decor pieces to the arrangement of the house, the shelving, everything that was there was well thought out.
We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love, looking for something.
Don't mind the mess at the kitchen area. We were a couple of guests and we had just finished eating. Another thing I liked about the design, it was quite modern and there was a good utilization of the space that was there.
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling them.
Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a positive comment down below, and in case you have any question, I'll be happy to respond to it. See you on my next one. Toodaloo!